The next conflict management style that we're going to discuss is compromising. Compromising is when we have a moderate concern for the self and a moderate concern for the others. And we often hear that compromising is the best way to handle a conflict, but it isn't a win-win solution. In fact, it's a partial win-lose. Because when we are compromising, we do get something of what we want, but we often have to give up some or most of what we ultimately desire. Compromising is a good way to solve a conflict temporarily. And I say that it's temporary because oftentimes with compromising, there are lingering thoughts of what you gave up that could potentially lead to future conflicts. So it is a good strategy if, for example, there are time limitations on the conflict, or when prolonging the conflict might lead to deterioration of the relationship, and you just need to have some kind of solution for this conflict. So compromising can be used as an easy way out of conflict, as like a stopgap measure to solve the problem for now, but it is not the ideal solution, right? It's a partial win-lose. So even though each of you is getting something out of this situation, neither of you is getting fully what you want. And this is demonstrated in the comic that you see on screen right now. The two individuals are standing on separate cliff sides with a big gap in the middle of them, and one suggests that they meet halfway. In this situation, halfway is a big black dark abyss, right? So it's not the ideal solution. Compromising, we have to remember, is a moderate concern for the self and our needs, and a moderate concern for the needs of others that usually results in a partial win-lose scenario.